Okay. Hmm. There it is. I like this. Okay. Yes. Is that a bug? Yeah. You like it? Huh? Come on, let's walk. Okay. Nice. Ooh. New apartment smell, honey. I'm loving it. Oh my goodness, he's just okay. Parked outside. Ow. Lock the door. Cause we home. Okay. Okay. What's this? We got the bathroom. We got the half. Okay. Okay. I got my new house. Ah, got my new house. Oh, got my new house. Oh. Yes. Hi, Oopsie. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. How you doing? Okay. What's this? Got the closets. Okay, got enough room. And, oh, in the kitchen. A little mercy. A little mercy. Mommy's here. Ooh, this is nice. I'll release all negativity and call it healing, blessing, energy. Ooh, that is nice over there. Yes, my new house. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you, universe. Thank you. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. What's this? Okay. It's Liddy. It's Litty. Yes. Got the washer and the dryer. Little mercy. Oh, man, hype. All right. We already going over there. Oh, boy. Cry baby. Mama's here. Wanna go upstairs? Who's an angry baby? Come. This is beautiful. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I'll take these stairs. 3. I think a townhouse has. I think a townhouse. Oh, here go the first room. It's gonna be your room. Yes, we can afford it. We can afford anything. Shit, we got this. I receive it. I receive this blessing. I receive this blessing. Ooh, here go the second. This is a big bedroom. Ooh, look at the view. Oh my goodness. You see the view? Look outside. You get to go outside. Yes. Yup. We got a new house. We got a new house. Close it. Good job. High five. Okay, go to the bathroom. Here we are. Huh? New home, who this? Yeah, I got privacy. We get a shower. We can change that. This is a nice deep tub. Oh, we got space. I like this. Yes, more room. I like that big bathroom. And here goes my bedroom. Ooh, walk-in closet. Found chicken. Wow, wow. Look at all this storage I got. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my Lord. Ooh. What's she doing there? Sneak look. Got y'all. What y'all trying to do? And they say we outside. And they say we outside. Hey. We're almost packed up. Hi. Hey. This is the bathroom downstairs. This is the kitchen. I still have some packing to do. Let's see. Yeah, look at you. You doing it. You doing it, girlfriend. Oh, we got the 2 strollers. That's the closet. We got bags. So this is 1 flight of stairs. Hi! Hey, mama! Hi! Hi! I'm coming. Okay. Here's the 3rd flight. So here's the bathroom. I cleaned it out. This is the clean. This is the old complex before we moved to the new house. So that's the pantry, the room for the towels. This is my old bedroom. Still have some stuff. This is her room. So, you know, I'm just showing you it's all cleaned out. This is moving day, which I despise. Oh my God, OMG. Yes, guys, we got the keys. Yes, God is amazing. Thanks for watching, supporting, liking, and subscribing. Namaste.